Hi, I am Zainam Shah, Managing Partner at Flexure Print and Pack LLP. We are a technology-driven and an award-winning organization specializing in printing and flexible packaging solutions. We cater to FMCG, food, agrochemicals, pet foods, personal care, biocare, and textile industries. And we carry out most of the manufacturing processes in-house, ranging from film extrusion to printing and converting them into the finished goods. Graphic printing is a very complex process as there are many variables to engineer on the press, and some of the key challenges that we encounter every day in the press room are maintaining consistent ink transfer, achieving stable highlight dot reproduction, controlling dot gain, reproducing smooth gradients without visible transitions, and ensuring repeatability across various jobs and substrates. And that's where Apex's GTT comes into the picture, as GTT provides a stable and predictable ink transfer platform which helps in optimizing the overall printing process rather than constantly compensating for ink delivery variations. Apex has been a valuable technology partner, but what stood out during trials was how effectively technology responded when integrated into a disciplined and optimized print process. The printing results reinforced our belief that the technology delivers maximum value when it is supported by strong printing expertise. At Flexure, we print with screen rulings ranging from 120 to 210 LPI, depending on the application and quality requirements. To showcase the capabilities of flexography with GTT Anilox technology, we produced these samples, achieving gravure-like and in some cases even superior print quality that today's brand owners demand. These samples have earned us multiple national and international recognitions, highlighting the potential of modern flexographic printing. We have been associated with Apex since past 4 years, and our experience with them has been extremely positive. We are very satisfied with both the quality of their products and the level of service they provide.